The creative sack. It feels like a test of pure imagination under a ticking clock. But it's not. Success isn't about some lightning strike of genius. It's about systematic preparation that builds a quiet, justified confidence. It's a game you can win. This starts weeks before by making the text your own. Read it until you know its rhythms. Create character voice guides, not just to imitate, but to understand why they speak the way they do. Map out themes and symbols. This isn't just studying, it's building an arsenal of tools you can draw from under pressure, making excellence achievable. On the day, remember it's a two-part performance. The creative piece, worth around 70%, is your stage, but the written explanation is your director's commentary. It proves your choices were deliberate. Don't fall into the trap of pouring all your time into the story and rushing the explanation. That part is where you use meta-language to connect your creative decisions directly back to the author's craft, proving you didn't just write a story, you understood one. When the pressure mounts, and it will, ground yourself. Focus on the immediate task, the next sentence, not the final grade. Reframe that nervous energy. You're not scared, you're ready. You're excited to show what you know. Remember the mantra, a good piece completed is infinitely better than a perfect piece that's only half finished. Don't let perfectionism sabotage your strategy. So walk in knowing you're not just hoping for the best, you're prepared for it. You've done the work, you have the process, and you know the text. Trust your preparation. Now go show them what you know.